Hello, my name is Sergeant George Godoy, and today we'll explore the difference between local, state, and federal agencies. Let's start with local law enforcement, city and county police departments. Local agencies are the backbone of American policing, serving the communities where they operate. One major advantage of local work is community connection. You'll build relationships with the people you serve, and that meaningful interaction matters to many officers. You'll handle a wide range of calls from serious crimes to quality-of-life issues, which keeps the job diverse and engaging. Local departments typically have shorter hiring timelines and are constantly recruiting, so your path to employment can be faster. However, local agencies often have lower salaries compared to state and federal positions. Now let's look at state agencies. State police and highway patrols operate across entire states, handling crimes that cross jurisdictional lines and enforcing state laws. State agencies offer better pay and benefits than most local departments, with more structured career advancement paths. You'll likely specialize in specific areas like investigations, traffic enforcement, or tactical response, allowing you to develop deep expertise. The trade-off is that you may work with less community connection. Much of state work involves highway patrol or specialized investigations rather than walking a neighborhood beat. The hiring process tends to be longer and more competitive, and the job often requires you to relocate or work in less populated areas. Finally, let's discuss federal agencies. The FBI, DEA, ATF, U.S. Marshals Service, and Secret Service represent just a few federal options. Federal agencies offer the highest salaries in law enforcement, excellent benefits, and significant job security. The prestige associated with federal work opens doors and carries weight in law enforcement circles. You'll work on cases with national or international significance, which appeals to many officers seeking impact and challenge. Training is world-class, and you'll have access to cutting-edge resources and technology. Career advancement can be rapid for those who perform well. The downside is that federal hiring is extremely competitive, and the process is lengthy, often taking 6 months to over a year. You need a top-tier background with no significant issues. So how do you choose? Consider what matters most to you. If you value community connection, faster hiring, and diverse day-to-day work, local law enforcement is an excellent choice. If you want better compensation, specialized training, and broader career opportunities, state agencies offer a strong middle ground. If you're willing to invest time in a highly competitive process and want prestige, resources, and high pay, federal agencies might be your path. Many successful officers work at multiple levels throughout their careers, starting local and moving up as they gain experience. There's no single best choice. It depends on your priorities, your background, and where you see your law enforcement career taking you. Whatever path you choose, preparing thoroughly for the hiring process is critical. You'll need to pass written exams, physical fitness tests, interviews, background checks, and psychological evaluations. Get the top-rated Police Exam 911 prep course with over 1,000 five-star reviews. This premium course includes video-based tutorials, hundreds of practice questions, and bonus tips for applying and managing your job search. Enjoy lifetime access and personal support via email. Click on the link to get started. There are also links in the description and in the comments.